Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Have you ever messaged someone on WhatsApp and instantly seen that little message pop up? I'm currently away. We'll get back to you soon. You instantly know they're not ignoring you. They're just busy. It's a small thing, but it saves confusion and keeps things professional. Well, guess what? Your email can do the same thing. Whether you're out of the office on a short break or just want to respond instantly to every customer, you can set up an email autoresponder using cPanel. No need to reply manually every time. Just write your message once, and cPanel takes care of the rest. And hey, if you're still looking for a hosting service that gives you easy email tools, go with YouStable. They offer fast, affordable hosting with free email accounts and an easy-to-use cPanel dashboard that makes setting up things like autoresponders a breeze. All right then, let me show you how to create or delete an email autoresponder in cPanel, step by step. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Go to the email section and click Autoresponders. Click the Add Autoresponder button. In this Autoresponders interface, we can configure automatic email response messages to those who send an email if we are unavailable. Click to open the drop-down menu of Character Set and select an appropriate character set. Enter the time interval you want the autoresponder to wait for before it sends the next message to the same email address on receiving another email from the same address. It means it won't give another response message for emails received within 12 hours from the same email address. Now, enter the email address for which it will respond, and then select the domain of the email account. Enter the username in this input box. Enter the subject of the response message. Write the message you want the autoresponder to send. You can start the autoresponder immediately, or you can set a date and time as per your requirement. To set a custom date and time, click the Options button for Custom. From here, you can choose a date and time for autoresponder to start. If you want to stop autoresponder, you can click the Options button, Custom, and set a date and time to stop. Or you can choose the Never option. Now, click the Create button. That's it. We have successfully created autoresponder for the entered email address. Now, click the Go Back button. Here is the autoresponder that we created. You can edit or delete the autoresponder from this interface. To delete the autoresponder, click the Delete button. Click the Delete Autoresponder button to confirm the delete. Now you know how to create and delete an autoresponder. Thank you for watching,